President and past president from 1989. So if I didn't say Nobjo Sochia right, I blame my two teachers. So I want to welcome everybody. This is such a wonderful event, such a great tradition in Merced. It's great to be back. Isn't it great to be back doing this? So I'm humbled to be a part of this. Special thanks too for Mua, he's got the video up already. I caught him in the act. For him and his family for providing me with special outfit and clothes for the occasion, custom fit. So thank you, Mua. Really appreciate that. Again, just thank you for honoring our city with this beautiful event. Makes our city so much better, so much richer. And again, humbled to be a part of this. And one of the best events in our city year after year. Always look forward to it, always a great celebration. Now these last 2 years, 2020, 21, have been difficult times for our country. And every time I look and every time I see you guys fighting. I see you fighting for your community, and I see you fighting for our community as well. And I have nothing but respect and honor and admiration for that. Everywhere I go, working hard and just seeing you fight to make your community better, our community better. And you think about all the good work we've done together over the last 2 years in spite of enormous difficulties. You think about the violence against Asian Americans and how we've come together to address that in Merced and prevent that in large part in Merced. So it's quite an honor to our community, to you, and our city as well. We have General Vang Bao Park. So we're excited to get that moving forward. We got to start building that. So we have a new park site named after General Vang Pao. So really excited to honor him and honor you with that. Good to be back here and support Hmong New Year. And I just welcome all of you in the work ahead. A lot of good, hard work ahead, moving our city forward, moving our community forward, moving your community forward together. And that's the important part. We work together, we're stronger together. And again, I welcome you all in the work ahead. You have a partner in me, you have a partner in our city, and we're just excited to move forward and to build our community together. So thank you again for honoring us, honoring our city with this wonderful event, and look forward to a couple of great days to celebrate. Thank you. Merced Hmong.
Okay.